Meaning of economic migrant.
Economic migrant.
Economic migrant.
Economic migrant.
Economic migrant. The term economic migrant refers to a person who moves from one place to another in search of improved economic opportunities. This differs from someone who was forced to flee their home due to persecution or conflict, known as a refugee. Economic migration can have both positive and negative effects on the destination country, such as contributing to economic growth through labor force expansion, but also potentially straining public services. It can also have negative consequences for the countries of origin, such as brain drain and loss of human capital.